So for this example with the cars, I'm going to go through and just do one because you do this pretty much 4 times. So we have that car A is rated at 31 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Again, I'm just going to do car A because you're going to do car B the same way for this first part, and then you'll do A and B again for part B. So we're looking at how many gallons of gas would each vehicle consume for the following amounts of driving. So we have 300 miles in the city and 100 miles on the highway. So since we know that it's 31 miles per gallon in the city, I can set up a proportion and do 31 miles per 1 gallon. So how many gallons for 300 miles? You're going to cross multiply to solve. So 31x equals 300. And then you divide. Now be careful here because it says do not round until the final answer, and then you're going to round to the nearest tenth. So 300 divided by 31 gives you 9.6774. And this is gallons because that's what we were looking for. And then I'm going to do the same thing for highway miles. So I have 30 miles per gallon equals 100 miles over x gallons. So cross multiply to solve. So 30x equals 100. Divide by 30. Again, do not round until the end. So 100 divided by 30 gives you that 3.333. And then you're going to add these two values. So I'm adding my 9.6774 plus 3.3333, and you get 13.0107. And then now you can round to the nearest tenth. So that 1 doesn't change, so this is approximately 13.0 gallons.